Hi guys, for today's vlog guys, iban siya Bukidnon. So naami diri ron sa sideway pengon sa Muswan ta Muswan tingay so meron sa likod, di ba babe? Okay ka lang pag-set up mo ng phone mo. Ayan guys, magtititak-tak si girly guys. Kaya nilagay niya yung phone niya sa gilid ng motor guys. Ayan. Kamusta naman baby ko? Okay lang? So ayan guys, dito muna kami sa Sideway Road. Chill lang ginagmay ba? So, time check guys, 11 o'clock AM. So, it's Saturday guys, di ba babe? Saturday, ayan. So, nagsiset up siya ng phone niya guys. Ayan, nalilito na siya sa nilagay. Ayan, so, ayan, galing-galing guys, di ba? Talented talaga ito yung baby ko guys.
Hi guys, introducing Muswan Peak here in Bukidnon. So this is the view of Muswan Peak guys, and we are taking a picture together. So please enjoy the view guys, because we're enjoying it too. So you can visit here anytime if you want. This is the view of Muswan Peak here in Bukidnon guys. So come and visit to our beloved Muswan Peak. So have a nice day guys, and enjoy.